Commonwealth Games champion Rasheed Broadbell clocked a personal best to win the 110 miles per hour at the Diamond League in Lausanne, Switzerland. Broadbell clocked a fast 12.99 seconds to cross the line first ahead of USA's Grant Holloway and Trey Cunningham. Fellow Jamaican and Olympic gold medalist Hansle Parchment finished in fourth place.
Broadbell has overcome injuries this season to persevere with his never-quitting attitude to achieve the personal best of 12.99, which seems to signal to the world that, hey, I'm a force to be reckoned with and this is not a fluke. Congrats again, Brody. Big up.